Hi everyone, Whitney here. Welcome back to another episode of The Sitch. Today we're talking about frozen produce. Frozen fruits and veggies get a bad rap. Many people think simply because they're frozen, they lack the same nutritional value as fresh produce. I'm gonna go right ahead and get to the punchline. That's simply not true. Fruits and vegetables are picked and frozen at peak ripeness, and studies show that they retain a comparable vitamin, mineral, and phytochemical content to their fresh counterparts. In fact, many fruits and vegetables actually retain more nutrients when they're frozen than when they're eaten fresh. One study showed that the vitamin C content of corn, green beans, and blueberries was actually higher in the frozen samples, while the content in strawberries, carrots, spinach, peas, and broccoli was the same as in the fresh produce. Another study showed that one type of blueberries actually had a 29% increase in antioxidant activity after 3 weeks of cold storage. A third study also showed that fresh blueberries had a greater loss in phenolic compounds over 10 days compared to blueberries that were frozen for 90 days. This is likely due to the fact that produce can lose its nutritional value the longer it sits out past its harvest date due to enzymatic activity and oxidation. Between transit time to the farm, to the distributor, to the market, time spent on grocery store shelves, and then time spent sitting in your refrigerator. Come on, we're all guilty of waiting until the last minute to eat our fruits and veg. Produce is exposed to air and light, which causes chemical changes in its composition. This is why I like to incorporate both fresh and frozen fruit into my diet to reap the benefits of both. The benefits of fresh fruit are obvious. It tastes delicious. But there are so many additional benefits to frozen fruit as well. It's convenient, it lasts longer, and it costs less. One of the main ways I use frozen fruit in Whit's Kitchen is in what I call Faux-yo. It's basically fruit yogurt, and it's made by simply pureeing frozen fruit in a high-powered blender or food processor with a little splash of non-dairy milk. One of my favorite combos is frozen raspberries and bananas, which make a beautiful pink sorbet. I also like tossing frozen raspberries into my super seed oatmeal. The berries melt as the oatmeal cooks, infusing it with incredible flavor. You can also enjoy frozen raspberries straight from the bag with a square of dark chocolate for an evening treat. And that's The Sitch. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more evidence-based nutrition information. I'm Whitney. Thanks so much for watching.